I'm very excited about the projects that you will be doing this semester, and I think that they're going to tell me a lot about what you're learning in this course. You've already completed Project 1, which was Introduce Yourself. The next two projects, Projects 2 and 3, will be the first Project 2 will be due on October 19th, and Project 3 will be due on November 16th. Each of these projects is worth 100 points each, and these three projects together will count 30% of your grade. I'm going to give you some choice here, and I hope you can handle that. But what I want to do is go over that briefly with you. Okay, you're going to choose two projects to complete, and these two projects have to come from the chapter topics. Hopefully you would choose a chapter that we've already discussed and you've already had time to think about. But you can choose whatever topic that you would like to learn more about. For each project, you must choose a different theory or a concept from a different chapter. For the project, one of the main issues will be that I have to see your face and I have to hear your voice. Okay, your choices, and I'm trying to look at the different learning styles and different abilities that you have, something that might be interesting to you, and this is what I would like to really emphasize. And I hope that you learned something about that in the diverse students chapter, and I know that if it's interesting to you, that it's something that you want to do, that it's going to be a more engaging and a better learning experience for you. Okay, the first one is you can create an original PowerPoint describing the major components and applications of a learning theory or concept. This PowerPoint, it could be a I've got the number of slides, minimum of 10 slides, maximum of 20 slides, but you're going to explain it to me using your voice so that I can see your face. Okay, the second one is to model a conversation with parents describing a specific student's learning style, behavior, or motivational issues. This covers about 3 or 4 chapters in the book, but that's an option for you. This can also be staged. It doesn't have to be an actual parent interview or conversation. Number 3, design a lesson plan and justify the components based on theories or concepts. Number 4, compare and contrast two learning theories or approaches to learning. How are they alike? How are they different? Number 5 is develop a plan of action for a specific student's learning or behavior issue. So this is similar to what you're doing this week, except it will be a little bit more in depth. Number 6, debate the pros and cons of a theory or concept. This is the only one that I've designed that can be a collaborative project. Figure out how to make it work. I want at least 2 students and not more than 4 students in this, but I thought some of you might enjoy that. Number 7, create an annotated bibliography for 2 different theories or concepts. You did a little bit in your assignment this week that could be expanded for this one. Number 8, create a graphic to explain a theory or concept. You know, a graphic's pretty broad. We say graphic and we think of some kind of T-chart or a Venn diagram. But, you know, a graphic could be some kind of artwork. If you can create some kind of artwork and explain it to me, how it explains the theory or concept in your thinking, that's perfectly acceptable. Number 9, for those of you who are musically inclined, and some of you have indicated that you would like to do this, write and perform an original song, poem, or prose poem explaining the components and application of a theory or a concept. I think I've given you a pretty wide range of things that you can do, and I'm really excited to see what you might do. You know, some of you might could figure out how to turn some of these, especially number 9, into a drama. I know some of you are pretty skilled at that. Also, I would like to say, if you have another idea of something that you would like to do that's not on this list, ask me, make a proposal and tell me what you would like to do, and we can discuss it. Okay, what follows is checklist. For each one, remember, understood is that you have I have to hear your voice and see your face. That's included in all of them. So I've looked at each one of the projects and created a checklist for things, for basic things that have to be in that presentation. I don't want to take the time to go over all of this, but read through this, and if you have some questions, let me know. Also, you will notice that I have put time limits. For the PowerPoint, it's going to be a minimum of 10 slides, maximum of 20 slides. I love listening to you guys, but sometimes it's really rather long. And when I have 69 students, that takes a lot of time. So, and summarizing in Business Synced, it says a lot about what we know about something. Most of the video portions I've got are minimum 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. I think maybe on the debate, I gave you a little bit more time, but I think you should be able to say everything you need to say within that time limit. Yes, on the debate, I've given you a maximum of 10 minutes since there may be more people involved. So also look at this. If you have any questions, post your response on the discussion board forum. And if you can think of something else you'd like to do, make a proposal. Contact me. Let me know. I'm trying to figure out some things that would be most beneficial for you.